Hello class 7. This is the second part of the chapter number 11. We had completed up to the first part of page number 47 and we are going to start from after that part. So please take out your book and turn to page number 47 and here we are going to start. Three lines we have done, and after the that three lines in number 4, from the fourth number line we are going to start. Because the place was enclosed, there were rumors of crimes being committed there. So I have told you about this amphitheater. That amphitheater was actually it was a huge place, and it was a place of having dignity, and that means you can say that pride of Britain. But as it was a very that people they did not like to go to that place, because it was maybe it was a rumor or maybe it was truth. There was something uncanny about that place. There was something mysterious sense about that place. People had some sinister senses. Sinister means people had some ominous senses, bad feelings about that place. So generally people don't go to that place, and some happy lovers go only to meet to each other. Because the place was enclosed, there were rumors of crimes being committed there. As the place was enclosed, the place was not very open. So obviously, and people did not go to that place to visit. So it was heard that some crimes were committed in that place. Of late, boys had tried to play cricket, but since there was no spectator support, they lost interest. They also said the place was visited by the vision of Hadrian soldiers whom they saw for but a moment before the scene disappeared. So what happened? Only some happy couples they go, and some that means some boys they went there, and they tried to play their cricket. But what happened? As no spectator was there, that means no visitor was there, so they lost the interest of playing cricket over there. So only some that lovers they go only that place, and maybe some crimes also committed in that amphitheater. And some people also say that Hadrian soldiers whom they saw for but a moment before the scene disappeared. What is the meaning of that? Hadrian was a king. Hadrian was the emperor, and it was saying that Hadrian had a very good army, very that means well-known army in the world, and it was saying that Hadrian soldiers who were killed, who died, they only appeared, and after some time they also disappeared. It seemed like that it was having a sense of ghostly appearance. Okay, so only some that means that amphitheater had the sense of, what can I say, that ghostly appearance. Okay, that is precisely why Henchard had chosen this place to meet Suzanne. He knew that the chances of their being observed were remote, and that is why Michael Henchard wanted to meet Suzanne over there, because it was sure that as you know that Michael Henchard was the mayor of Casterbridge. He was reputed, he was famous, and he did not want to disclose that he had his wife, his daughter, and everyone. And what did he do? He also did not want to disclose, and that's why he wanted to meet Suzanne alone. And that's why maybe he had chosen this place for meeting. The mayor could not risk his reputation by inviting her home. Mayor, he did not want to take a risk by calling Suzanne at his home. A little before 8, he took the south path. He could see a woman at the distance coming in furtively. What is the meaning of furtively? Furtively means secretly. So at the time of 8, Michael Henchard, he saw that the path of southern, he saw the southern path. He went to the southern path and he saw that there was a lady who was coming nearer to him. They met in the center, neither could speak. So it was Suzanne. Suzanne came and they met, both of them they met in the center point. And both of them, they could not able to speak. Suzanne rested against the man, that means Suzanne hugged Michael Henchard. After a long time, she saw her husband. He put his arms around her and Michael Henchard also hugged her. He told her that he had left drinking since that day. And Michael Henchard, then he told that he left the habit of taking alcohol from that day, from that devastating day. Okay. He said he wished he had known that she was alive. He had presumed them dead after looking for them and even advertising. So Michael Henchard said that if he did not know anything about them, he looked after very much for both of them and he gave the advertisement also, but after a long time he believed that maybe both of them dead. That means mother and daughter, both of them dead. They died. She said she had remained silent because of her loyalty to the man who had stood by her when Henchard did not. So this lady, Suzanne, told that she did not say anything. She did not say anything. She did not do anything only for that man who helped very much them. Who was that? That means the sailor. The sailor who helped Suzanne and Elizabeth very much. So because of him, Suzanne could not do anything. Suzanne did not do anything. Suzanne did not wanted to do anything also because of the loyalty of that man. Okay.